Marker tracks can help you organize your project and help you distinguish the different parts of your project. Click on the plus sign, select marker track and add the track. The track is put here at the bottom, so I'll pull that up. There are two kinds of markers that you can add here. One is a position marker. You can add this while clicking this button, or you can hold down the option key and click around in your project. And the other option is the cycle marker, which you can add by pressing this button here. The cycle marker you can create while holding the command button on your keyboard and just drawing something with your mouse. And this is a kind of marker that indicates that there is a certain area of things going on here. You can also click here and write something in the description, and it will pop up here so you can know what's going on here. And on the left you can see this inspector window, and you can see all the markers that you created, and you can click in this area here and the transport bar will jump to the selected marker automatically.